इंग्लिश सेंटेंस में आपका मोस्ट वेलकम है। 200 इंग्लिश सेंटेंस एट एयरपोर्ट। वेयर इज़ द चेक इन काउंटर? वेयर इज़ द चेक इन काउंटर? आई हैव अ फ्लाइट टू दिल्ली। आई हैव अ फ्लाइट टू दिल्ली। What time does boarding start? What time does boarding start? Can I see your passport, please? Can I see your passport, please? Here is my boarding pass. Here is my boarding pass. How many bags are you checking in? How many bags are you checking in? Is this bag overweight? Is this bag overweight? Please place your bag on the scale. Please place your bag on the scale. Your gate number is 12A. Your gate number is 12A. Boarding will begin shortly. Boarding will begin shortly. Please proceed to security check. Please proceed to security check. Remove your laptop from bag. Remove your laptop from bag. Please take off your shoes. Please take off your shoes. Do you have any liquids? Do you have any liquids? Your flight is on time. Your flight is on time. The flight is delayed. The flight is delayed. The flight has been cancelled. The flight has been cancelled. Please wait in the departure lounge. Please wait in the departure lounge. Final boarding call for flight 302. Final boarding call for flight 302. This is the last call for passenger. This is the last call for passengers. Boarding the plane. Welcome abroad. Welcome abroad. May I see your boarding pass? May I see your boarding pass? Your seat is in row 15. Your seat is in row 15. This way, please. This way, please. Please find your seat quickly. Please find your seat quickly. Put your bag in the overhead bin. Put your bag in the overhead bin. Please fasten your seat belt. Please fasten your seat belt. Keep your seat upright. Keep your seat upright. Turn off your mobile phone. Turn off your mobile phone. Switch your phone to airplane mode. Switch your phone to airplane mode. Please close the tray table. Please close the tray table. Keep the aisle clear. Keep the aisle clear. Stow your luggage properly. Stow your luggage properly. The flight is full today. The flight is full today. Can you help me with my bag? Can you help me with my bag? Excuse me, that's my seat. Excuse me, that's my seat. Can we change seats? Can we change seats? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Please sit down. Please sit down. The cabin crew will assist you. The cabin crew will assist you during the flight. We are ready for takeoff. We are ready for takeoff. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. The seat belt sign is on. The seat belt sign is on. The seat belt sign is off. The seat belt sign is off. We are flying at 35,000 feet. We are flying at 35,000 feet. The weather is clear today. The weather is clear today. There may be some turbulence. There may be some turbulence. Please stay calm. Please stay calm. Relax and enjoy your flight. Relax and enjoy your flight. Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? Tea or coffee? Tea or coffee? Would you like water? Would you like water? Vegetarian or non-vegetarian meal? Vegetarian or non-vegetarian meal? Here is your meal. Here is your meal. Enjoy your food. Enjoy your food. Can I get a blanket? Can I get a blanket? May I have a pillow? May I have a pillow? I feel cold. I feel cold. Can I have some extra water? Can I have some extra water? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Common passenger sentences. Excuse me, can I pass? Excuse me, can I pass? I need to use the restroom. I need to use the restroom. The toilet is occupied. The toilet is occupied. How long is the flight? How long is the flight? What time will we land? What time will we land? Is there Wi-Fi on this flight? Is there Wi-Fi on this flight? Can I charge my phone? Can I charge my phone? The seat is not comfortable. The seat is not comfortable. The screen is not working. The screen is not working. Can you help me? Can you help me? I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I feel sick. I feel sick. Can I get some medicine? Can I get some medicine? I need assistance. Please call the crew. Please call the crew. I dropped my phone. I dropped my phone. My seatbelt is stuck. My seatbelt is stuck. The air conditioner is too cold. The air conditioner is too cold. Can you adjust the temperature? Can you adjust the temperature? I am traveling alone. I am traveling alone. Announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome abroad. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome abroad. We are preparing for landing. We are preparing for landing. Please fasten your seat belt. Please fasten your seat belt. Keep your window shades open. Keep your window shades open. We will land shortly. We will land shortly. Thank you for flying with us. Thank you for flying with us. Please remain seated until the aircraft stops. Please remain seated until the aircraft stops. Use caution when opening overhead bins. Use caution when opening overhead bins. Check your belongings before leaving. Check your belongings before leaving. Have a pleasant day. Have a pleasant day. Arrival. Welcome to Mumbai. Welcome to Mumbai. Local time is 5 p.m. The temperature outside is 25 degrees. The temperature outside is 25 degrees. Please collect your luggage. Please collect your luggage. Where is the baggage claim? Where is the baggage claim? My luggage is missing. My luggage is missing. I can't find my bag. I can't find my bag. This is not my suitcase. This is not my suitcase. Where is the exit? Where is the exit? Thank you for your help.